Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a minnow trap out of a water bottle and a pocket knife. Okay, first what you want to do is you just want to take the lid off of here. Okay, then grab your pocket knife. Now, I like these bottles, they're pretty good. And yeah, so you want to cut it about right here, because this top half is going to be part of the funnel. So once they get in, they can't get out. There we go. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a straight circle around that. Trying to get it as straight as possible, and it should just pull apart like that. So you should have this piece and this piece. So when you want to turn this piece upside down, stick it right there, and push it in. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, some people like to poke holes in this right here, put a fishing line on it. So when you pull it over, the water drains out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So the minnows, you put bread or canned dog food or something, the minnows just swim right in there, and they're scared to get back out. So yeah, that'll pretty much be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.